Your Epson 7720 printer is printing, but the colors are completely missing or looking really faded and washed out. This usually means your printhead nozzles are clogged with dried ink, and the good news is you can fix this yourself without calling a repair technician. This does require a cleaning kit and some careful work. If you follow along with me step by step, you can get those colors flowing again. If you get stuck at any point, call the numbers on your screen. Otherwise, grab your cleaning kit and let's unclog those nozzles.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Before you start, make sure your printhead cleaning kit is ready. Go to your Epson printer's touchscreen display and scroll left until you find the settings option. On the settings page, tap on Maintenance to access the maintenance menu options. Scroll down through the menu and select Ink Cartridge Replacement from the available options. Tap on the Start button on the next screen to begin cartridge replacement mode. You'll be prompted to lift the scanner unit up, open it, and wait for the printhead carriage to reach its resting position. Carefully open the cartridge cover and then remove each ink cartridge from your printhead. Carefully grab your printhead and pull it gently towards the left side of your printer. Take a paper towel and place it at the bottom, where your printhead comes to rest in its position. Pull the printhead back to its initial resting position using your hand carefully. If you're finding this deep cleaning tutorial helpful, please smash that subscribe button for more Epson printer maintenance guides. On the top of the printhead, lift the lid or cover to expose the ink nozzles inside. Grab your syringe and fill it with the cleaning solution. Attach the syringe pipe tip and insert it gently into the hole of the ink nozzle. Slowly and carefully press the syringe to push up to 5 ml of cleaning liquid through each nozzle. Repeat the same syringe cleaning process with each of the remaining color nozzles one by one. Once you've cleaned all the nozzles, close the printhead lid or cover that you lifted earlier. Move the printhead back to the left side of the printer to return to its storage position. Remove the paper towel that you placed under the printhead during the cleaning process. Open the cartridge cover again and place each ink cartridge back into the printhead carefully until they click into place securely. Then close the cartridge cover. Your Epson 7720 printhead is now clean and your color printing should be restored.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.